friends, welcome to Information and Technology. This is the fourth part of operating web. Today we will see what are online courses, tutorials and tests. So as the name suggests itself, the online tutorials, courses and tests are those web-based applications that help us to learn something from the internet, or the courses that we can get and the certification that we get, the test online test that we give, all these things based on the web based applications we'll be seeing in this particular top. So firstly, what are the advantages of using this web based application for online courses and tutorials? So online courses and tutorials, these are basically very interactive. So it is helpful for the students because they are almost in the form of a, suppose it can be in a form of a video game or a lesson or a video. As we know that the video, if the video is played and we try to learn using a video, then that particular video remains in our brain for much more time as compared to a vocal type of training. So this is one of the advantage. The online tutorial, the students and the teachers are at different location. They are not present at the same locations. Okay, they are connected to each other via the internet. There are many advantages. The first one is it provides the freedom to the learner. Means suppose now I am teaching you, so this is recorded. Now at your convenient time you can listen to this particular video, or you can see this particular video and learn at your convenient time, at your own pace of learning. If suppose something you did not understand, then you can go back again, scroll back and again learn it. Then there is no discrimination of any sort of age, caste, gender, etc. qualification. If you are even a B.Tech student, you can come and watch this lecture. This is of a class 12 student. Okay, so there is no discrimination of anything. Next, the tutorials may be enriched with audios and videos, which make it more enjoyable and attractive. As the audio and video are both mixed and interlinked together, so it becomes more interactive. And you can also find that almost all the topics are covered, and sometimes maybe in different languages also, that is not only in English, suppose maybe in Hindi or in Marathi, Malayalam. Okay, so any regional language, these are available so that it helps in easy learning of the students. Now, how is the interaction done with the user or with the student? So the interaction can be either using a video or a slide tutorial, as I am doing here. Okay, the learner can visit the site and view the tutorial. This is one of the method of interaction. Interactive tutorials require the user to follow the instruction and perform the desired action, and then you have to give a feedback. Okay, so that is another method in which some instruction the teacher gives and the student follow the instruction and perform the desired action, and then the feedback is taken. And the last type of interaction is type of a webinar or a real-time lecture, in which is a synchronous way. Synchronous means when I am talking, you are also connected, and at the same time you also participate and reply back. Okay, so this is another type of method. You may ask the question at the same time and you can get the queries answered. Okay, so this is the types of interaction with the users. Now let us see some of the online education sites. So there are various online education sites that provide us with the facility of online learning and online courses, online tutorials, online tests. We will discuss some of them. Okay, the first one I would like to show you is the khanacademy.org. This is one of the famous online education site that helps the students to learn online some of the subjects such as maths, science, economics, arts, etc. Various subjects are provided here. Also, there are some test preparatory um, tests also provided here. Using this, you can give online test also. So this is one of the online education website. Next is the Udacity website. So this site offers online courses for development of technical skills. Okay, that is what the front end web if you are interested in web development, means the technical things. You want to learn about operating systems, how to develop an operating system, etc. It claims to provide the projects built by technical leaders like Google and AT&T. The site provides verified certificates, but you have to pay for it. If you want a certificate, then you have to pay for the particular course that you opt for. Okay, this is another website. Next, as you know, we are very familiar with this particular website, that is NCERT. It's a government website that is a portal that provides online learning resources. Online learning resources are here, such as the can see here the publications, the e-books are there, then journals are there, periodicals for the students, question papers. Okay, books are there, e-books will be present here. Okay, and also there are some various links provided where there are some news, etc. that comes for the class 10, 12, then for uh, news of the human resource department. From there the news, etc. comes in this particular portal, as it is a government website. NCERT. The next website I would like to show you is the W3 Schools website. So w3schools.com offers the free tutorials for web development purposes. So here you can learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, okay, jQueries. So all the scriptings and codings are provided in this particular website that is totally free of cost. You can go here and learn codings, the codes, various codes, all the syntax, how to use it. Even practically you can perform it also in this particular website, W3 Schools. Next is the Coursera website. It provides high quality online courses for free. It has a collaboration with various universities across the globe. Okay, this collaborated has various partners. They aim to provide us the free online education through its partners, which are all over the world. They include various topics such as the humanities, science, engineering. Also, school level topics are covered here. But if you require a certified course, then you have to pay them. So for a certification, you have to pay to this particular website. So this is all about online courses and tutorials. Means it is very simple that when we have to learn anything, or uh, without going to a particular um, university, or if you want a distant type of learning, then using these types of websites you can get a certified course. Or you can, if you are a person who likes to learn something extra, then you can go to these free websites and learn it without being physically present with some any of the teachers. And it is very convenient to use. If you have an internet connectivity web browser, then you can easily use these particular websites. So these are the some of the websites and advantages of using online courses and online tutorials and giving tests, etc.